Hey guys, I'm Max and I'm back again. Welcome to another video of biology. In this video, I'll be conducting a simple experiment about diffusion.
Before anything else, let me discuss the background of my experiment. Now, what is diffusion? Diffusion is the movement of a substance from an area of high concentration to an area of low concentration. It happens in liquids and gases because their particles move randomly from place to place. Diffusion is an important process for living things. It is how substances move in and out of cells. Now that we already know a simple background of my experiment, let's proceed to the needed materials. 2 empty glasses, food dyes, cold water, and hot water. Also, don't forget to always sanitize your hands. It is very important, especially in our current situation. By the way, I'm also wearing a lab gown. If you do have it, you can wear it. This simple experiment is very safe. Therefore, you can also try this at home. Now, the amount of water doesn't really matter. Just enough to fill both of the glasses. We will use the blue food color for the cold water and the yellow food color for the hot water. Stop right there. What will we do in this experiment? Simple. We just have to put few drops of food coloring in both of the glasses. Then we will watch and observe what will happen next. The question is, what might be different about the way the food coloring moves through the cold water and the hot water? We will find out next. In this part, you can already tell the difference between the two glasses. Let's observe more. As what we see right now in the experiment, the yellow food coloring spreads faster than the blue food coloring. Why is it? And how?
Wanna know the answer? Of course. Here's why.
It is said, in hot water, the food coloring diffuses through the water quickly. In cold water, the food coloring diffuses through the water slowly. The hot water causes the food coloring to diffuse faster. At higher temperatures, particles move faster.
And as what we observe, we are right.
This process is called diffusion, and as what I've said earlier, it is the passive process of particles spreading from areas of high concentration to areas of low concentration until they become evenly distributed throughout a space. It is caused by Brownian motion. Even though you can't see it happening, all atoms vibrate. The hotter they are, the faster and harder they do so. Another explanation is that the food coloring mixes through the hot water faster because in hot water, the water molecules have more energy than the water molecules of cold water. This makes it easier for the dye to get mixed throughout the hot water.
The high-energy hot water model diffusion is important because it is how we get oxygen to all the cells in our bodies. When the oxygenated blood is in our capillaries in the lungs, the oxygen in our lungs diffuses from a higher concentration in the lungs to the lower concentration in our blood. This allows red blood cells to carry oxygen all over our body. So now we know the reason behind all of this. And I do hope that you have learned something from this video. And that's all for today. Again, I'm Max and thanks for watching.